There are thousands of books written on success. There are many formula you must have seen written in the books how to get success. There are hundreds of seminars. They claim surety for success. But there is only one word that is guarantee of success, and that word is hard work. There are thousands of stories where you might have seen a talented person dying in a very bad state of affairs, nobody caring for them. But you must have not seen even a single person who is a lover of simplicity and hard work dying without any concerns. This is the magic word and everyone knows. But why we do not go for it? Very fortunate and lucky people. We call them talented. We call them brilliant. We call them genius. We call them intelligent. But the real fact is that they are people with a lot of toil, lot of determination, a lot of discipline. Without hard work, no magic will work, no coaching can help, no institution can guarantee you. What they all do is to channelize your energy. If you cannot do for yourself, they do it for you in a better way. If you can do yourself, that is far better, because you save your time, you save your energy. But because of so many distractions before younger generation, we must have seen so many professionals coming forward for motivation, for guidance. And if you listen to any one of them, I have listened to hundreds of them, they have only one thing to say: if you are dedicated, if you are religious in your approach, if you are consistent, if you are persistent, if you are devoted, and if you sincerely work what you love to do, there is no any kind of doubt that you may go wrong. Yes, there can be delay, because sometimes there are so many permutations and combinations where some people can take undue advantage. But rather than comparing with others, we shall have only one competitor, and that is, we should have only competitor among ourselves. No other competition from outside. Competition within. And that we can do by trying better every day. Rather than making big plans and not executing anything, it is better we focus on today, we focus on honing our skills, we focus only one thing, that I will work hard, very, very hard. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. May God bless us all.